Go.
Hello. Okay, so this is my pendulum. This is my string. We measured it. It's about 80 centimeters. We're gonna put it at 10 degrees. When I release, we're gonna let it hit one oscillation, and then that's when we're gonna start the stopwatch, and then we're gonna count how many oscillations, how much time it takes to get to 10 oscillations. So start it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that took about 16 seconds. So I'm gonna write that down in the table. You can keep recording. Hey yo, 16:30. So I'm gonna put that in my trial one right here. So it took 16.30 seconds for the first one. I'm gonna put that down. I'm gonna do the rest of my trials, and then I will find the average of those. And once I find the average of them, so let's just say this one is 1567, and then this one is like 1620, right? So I'd find the average of those by adding the three together and then dividing them by 3, and then I'd put that here. And then to find the time period for one oscillation, I would divide that by 10 because I'm counting 10 oscillations. And then from there, I would put into this formula whatever my average number is. Let's say it's 15.89, right? And 2 pi times 80 centimeters over the center of gravity. It wouldn't be 15.89. I'd want to divide it by 10 because I want to find oscillation. So let's see, 15.89 divided by 10. That would be 1.589. Oh, of course, because you just moved the decimal points. From there, okay, so we've saying our average time is 1.589 for one oscillation, equal to 2 pi times the square root of the length over the acceleration due to gravity. We can find the acceleration due to gravity by multiplying this by 2 pi, and then we can take that out on the other side, and then we would want to square this entire thing. It wouldn't be multiplied, it would be divided, sorry, and then square it, and then from there we could take out the square root, so now we just have 80 divided by g, and then we'd multiply both sides by g to get that out of the fraction. So g is here now, and we take g out of this side, and then it would be 80 divided by this entire term, just to get it g by itself, which is the acceleration due to gravity. And from there, we have this formula. The acceleration due to gravity is equal to 80 over the square root of 1.5, or not the square root, 1.59 over 2 pi squared. So 1.589 over 2 pi, and then we want to square that, and then 80 divided by this number would give us what the acceleration due to gravity is, and this is in centimeters, so it'd be 1250.84 centimeters per second squared, and that would be our acceleration due to gravity.